Hi children, we have completed basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, and today we are going with AAA similarity and its proof. Hope you are enjoying the videos. If you want to get a clarity on this theorem, listen the class till the end. And if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe the channel and keep spreading the knowledge. Let's get into the statement of AAA similarity. If in two triangles, corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. So here, as I told you, there will be two parts. One is given and one is RTP required to prove. Children, let us take two triangles, A, B, C, and another triangle D, E, and F. So in these two triangles, he is saying that the corresponding angles are equal. That means A is equal to D, and this B is equal to E, and then this C is equal to F. He said corresponding angles are equal. Then what do we need to prove? We need to prove that corresponding sides are proportional. Thereby, we can say that both the triangles are similar. So, let's go with given. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, in both the triangles, what is given? Angles, corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angles? Tell me here. Angle A is equal to angle D. This one, A is equal to D, B is equal to E, and C is equal to F. So let us mention that. B is equal to E and angle C is equal to angle F. This is what given. Then let's go for RTP. What is required to prove? Here we required to prove that the sides are proportional. That means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So let us mention it in RTP column. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. This has to be proven. Thereby, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This has to be proven. And let us go for construction. So let us have 2 points, one on DE and the second one on DF. Let me take these 2 points as PQ and join the line. So draw PQ such that AB is equal to DP and this AC is equal to DQ. So let's write it. Draw PQ such that AB is equal to DP, comma AC is equal to DQ. We shall go for the next part of the theorem, very important part called proof. Here we will take two triangles ABC and DPQ. Children, if you look into these two triangles, you observe this AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ because we have constructed in such a way. And angle A is equal to angle D. How do you know that this angle A is equal to D? Because it is given that all the corresponding angles are equal. So what can you conclude here? That by S congruency, both the triangles are congruent. So let us first present it. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, in these both triangle, what is the first result? AB is equal to DP, and then second one AC is equal to DQ. How do you know this? This is from construction part. Let us mention here. It is because of construction. Let us be clear at presentation. And angle A is equal to angle D. From where did you get this? This is given. We have mentioned the particulars. Now we will say by which congruency? SAS congruency. We can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So both the triangles are congruent. We have completed one step of the proof. In the next step, we are going to mention that angle B is equal to angle P. How are they equal? Because both the triangles are congruent, then these two parts are the corresponding parts. So by CP, CT, what is CP, CT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So therefore, you can say that angle B is equal to angle P. Why you mention here? Because CP, CT. But when you understood that this B is equal to P, but actually B was equal to E in the given here. B is equal to E. As B is equal to E, I will change this B into E. E is equal to P. Because angle B is equal to angle E given. So children, finally we understood that this angle P is equal to angle E. So what are these angles? Suppose if we take two lines and these two angles are equal. What are these angles? Corresponding angles. When these corresponding angles are equal, what do you say about these two lines? Parallel. Same way we can say that PQ is parallel to EF. So, as these are corresponding angles, so you can say that PQ is parallel to EF. So you got PQ is parallel to EF. So children, we have completed second step of the proof, that we have proved PQ is parallel to EF. Now next, PQ is parallel to EF. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in same ratio. Which theorem it is? Basic proportionality theorem. It says that dP by PE, part by part, is equal to dQ by QF, part by part. But we have even a corollary of basic proportionality theorem. What is the corollary? dP by dE, mean part by whole, is equal to dQ by dF also you can write. I hope you are able to understand. BPT, basic proportionality theorem, is part by part is equal to part by part. But corollary of basic proportionality theorem is part by whole is equal to part by whole. Otherwise you can write whole by part is equal to whole by part also you can write. Mean part of the line by whole line. So now let us write it. By corollary of basic proportionality theorem, we can say that dP by dE is equal to part by whole again, dQ by dF. dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF. So now this dP is equal to what? AB. So I can replace it. dQ is equal to what then? This dQ is equal to AC. So we can even replace that. Let us replace. dP can be replaced with AB and dQ can be replaced with AC. AC by DF. Hope you have understood till this. You can mention it, the reason also you can mention that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So children, we have proved that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. That means this AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. That means we have proved that two sides of first triangle are proportional to two sides of another triangle. But is asking us to prove three sides. Then how can you prove this third side BC by EF? Yes, you can prove it. But in that moment, to prove that, you will have to take this PQ parallel to DF. That means again you have to come from beginning. But we are not going to do that. We are going to write similarly. We are going to write similarly. We can prove that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF also we can prove. So thereby what can you say beta? AB by DE is equal to BC by DEF is equal to AC by DF. So by this we have proved that all the three sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides of another triangle. Therefore we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, because we know that when the sides are proportional, they both are similar. So children, AAA similarity is nothing but if three angles of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding angles of another triangle, then they both are similar because their sides are going to be proportional. Children, hope you have enjoyed this theorem. Tomorrow we shall go with the triple S similarity. Keep watching all the videos children, because it is a series that going. So if you miss any of the class, again it will be a troublesome in solving future problems. So keep watching, keep sharing and subscribe if you did not subscribe till now. Thank you. Thanks a lot.